Hey chair, come here. We all know I can't command the chair to do anything. But I can command my car with a little help from Hyundai Blueline that connects my many worlds. Now that's what's called going beyond mobility. All you need to do is sync your smartwatch with the Blueline and you're all set. You can unlock the Hyundai, start it and set the temperature even before you get in. That's not all. There's so much that you can do with Hyundai Blueline. So, let's get started. Android smartwatch users can sync their watches with Blueline by following a set of simple steps. Begin by installing Blueline app in your mobile phone. Remember to download and install Blueline app from Play Store in your smartwatch. After you have successfully downloaded Blueline for your smartwatch, personalize it and set Blueline face.